dim maybe material or job details. Let's make that 4. Let's go for as double there. Okay, that's my job details there. And right here inside form load, let me break it up. Let's break up whatever the job details might be underneath here. So array 0 equals, this would be the cost of the job of the labor. So let's make the cost about maybe £25.99 an hour there. Okay, this is for labor per hour. Okay, then the travel cost, there's that in there. The travel cost, let's say per mile is £3.50, so that's for travels. And this one will be for maybe copper pipe, sorry about that, copper pipe per length, per meter actually. And let's change it around underneath. Okay, this is 3, 4 there, and this one maybe we make this about 7, and this one. Alright, this would be for the chrome. The whole idea is just for us to develop a system that a plumber can use. Okay, that's for plastic pipe. So that's why I'm calling it a job estimator. So when this guy travel to you, you have to pay for per mile. You actually pay £3 plus, and the cost of labor per hour, the cost of the materials, there they are. Okay, so now what we need to do is, we actually have to know the names for all of these components right here. So for copper pipe, that's copper pipe, chrome, and so on. So let's get their names. Okay, for copper, that's the name of copper pipe right there. So I'm going to double click on this one right here, double click on total, and right in here, total.text, that's copper.text equals whatever is in there. We need that. That's copper is job estimator 2 there. Copy that. Whatever is in there equals that multiplied by this actually. But there's something I think is wrong. I think I'm gonna need, yeah, in here, subtotal right. My result should go inside the subtotal. Okay, let's come down, go back to, let's come back here, subtotal there. So if I run this program now and I select an item in there, okay, there's something in there already. So if I click on this, it's give me the price. So all I just need to do now is to convert this to pound sign. So I can always come back in here and just copy subtotal right there equals format currency, is that there. So that's the subtotal formatted. So let's run it and see, and enter a value in there, and that is that. So what I'll do next is maybe let's get rid of all of this data inside the system. I think I'm gonna have to go straight into the database and get that sorted. Okay, as you guys can see, I've got rid of the data in there, so I can freely enter whatever I want in there. So I've only just taken care of this, so let's run that again there. Okay, so let's continue. We now need the name of this very one right here, and that one is called, as you can see, Chrome Pipe text box copy. Scroll right down, double click on that. It's going to be a very short program really. And close that, and plus whatever is in there, dot. Let's go for text, yeah, and Chrome Pipe is multiplied by this right here. Might as well place each of them in a bracket. Yeah, that's in a bracket. This is in a bracket as well. It's going to look very rough, so maybe let's declare a local array right here. Dim I, maybe a local array. Yeah, why not? Dim I, let's make that 5, 4. Yeah, 4. That's double. But the whole layout will be totally different now. So what I'll do is come right in here. I 0 equals all of the components right here. This very one, bring it here, and I1 equals everything in here, with an equal sign there. So all we just need to then do is, all we then need to do here is we just say I0 plus I1. Okay, so that's much better and easy to read. So let's come for I2 equals, that will be for the copper. Let's get up, yeah, that's for plastic pipe. What is the name of the plastic pipe? Right there. And dot text. Now we need the name of, okay, the array for the plastic pipe. Multiply that and paste that in there. There, that's taken care of. We just delete this, take this off, yeah. Okay, one is missing here. Alright, so that'll become plus I2. And you just add plus I3 as well, plus I4. So all of my arrays are taken care of. There, they're all taken care of. So I now need 2 more here. Let me just copy those, paste it in here. So all I just need is for the label, and I need out of label. Copy that, come in here, scroll down, that's label, that'll be label, and we need to change this to 3. This is 4 right there. Okay, the next one here, we need the name of, okay, that's travel. So we have travel here, there, and that is all I think for the material. So if I run the program now, let's run it and see, enter some value in there, and that is that. Let's hit on total, and I'll get my price. Supposing there's nothing in here, what will happen? Let's see. Yeah, I suppose so. There's an error. I think we can take care of that. Let's just say by value. So by value should take care of something like that. case anything happen. Okay, I'll just speed that up. Okay, this is how my codes are looking right now. Up here, this is to generate reference number. So let's just comment that out. Generate reference number or job number. Let's just say job number. And this very one, this very one is, it's part of job number as well anyway, so that's fine. Paste that in there. Okay, and here, this is where the materials are calculated, these very ones right here, and this is for subtotal. This is subtotal converted to pound sign. Okay, we now need to work out the tax. Let's come up here and declare another variable. Let's come here, dim I tax as double equals, let's say 17.5. that's the tax rate right there. So I tax, with here we need I tax to be, get the name of this, we need the name, where is it? We need the tax there, right here. That's the name of the tax. Okay, tax equals subtotal, make that by value, multiply that by I tax, divide that by 100. So let's cover this up as well. So that will give me the tax. So if I run it, run the program now, enter how many meters I want, and hours of labor, travel, click. So that is the tax rate. So we need to format this. That's the tax rate, which is 76 pounds plus, and all we need to do now is add this to get this. Okay, let's come in here, let's format I tax. Let me copy all of this, copy, come down here, then copy I tax, or copy the tax and just paste it there. So that will take care of that. Now we need the total. Total, what's the name of the total? That's total right there. Copy the total, come here, paste that in there. Dot text equals whatever value we have in here, whatever we have in here. So this very one, tax by value plus by value, we need this. Okay, that's that taken care of. Then one important thing is the formatting them to currency. We have to paste that right underneath, and we need to also format that of the total as well. Let's format total as well to pound sign, and down here copy and paste there. So if I run my program now, enter my item in there and just click on total, that is it. If you add this to this, and that is what you get. So the other thing is discount. Discount is optional. If you want any discount, I think we need a checkbox for the discount. Maybe place that in here. Let's get a checkbox. So we just call that checkbox customized discount. Increase the font size of that. Let's go for 18 there, and that will become customized discount. Okay, move it in a little bit. If that is checked, then the customer will be entitled to some discount. Let's give that a name, CHK cost discount. So let's go into the total. Double click on total. So with the discount in now, the whole program will look a little bit different. Let's get this thing sorted. So right up here, let's use an if statement. If CHK discount dot check equals true or false, equals false, then all of this happens right here. Let's say end if right here. All of those happen. Else if it's check equals true, now we need the discount. I now have a variable here, discount. Copy all of that. Discount equals all of these. Let's say we're going for about 10% discount. Let's multiply by 10, close there, divide by 100. That is the discount. Okay, so we multiply everything here by 10 and divide by 100. It goes in there, and we want that information to go straight in here. That goes in here, equals discount. Yeah, now there are some changes here. Now I only need that to work with total, so let's bring all of these down. We need this, everything here. I need all of this information here for subtotal. I also need this for this, and in the case of total, I just need to minus as follows. Okay, total, let's get total equals total minus discount right there. Now let's copy all of this, paste that here, and hopefully that should work. Okay, let's run our program now, and let's see, enter forward there. That is without discount. So this discount now is 0, supposing that is checked discount. Look at that. So if you add this to this, that should give us 203 plus. Okay, let's uncheck that so you'll see what I'm talking about. That's it. It's 203 pounds 93 pence with the discount. If you work that out, okay, that should give us about the same thing. Alright, so this is working as we want now. All we just need to do now is to enter our customer name and so on, and to achieve all of that we need to make sure all of those information goes straight into our database. Alright, so clear is not working, receipt is not working yet, so let's take care of those.